Okay, guys, we're going to compare our two bikes, the sound of them. Okay, so this is my Harley-Davidson 883, fully customized. It's a beautiful bike, and it's a 2001. I like chrome. It's loaded with frickin' chrome. Okay, so let's start it up. Choke. This one's still got carburetors on it. The other one's fuel injected. So this is a 2001. What do you think? Nice sounding bike, eh? That sound good? Anyway, choke. Turn it off. Okay, so now we're gonna go start the bigger bike. So that one's about 55 cubic inch, and this one here is just over 88 cubic inch. I think it's 88.5 cubic inch. This one is a Heritage Softail. So this is my Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail. Okay, so listen to the difference. It's definitely more deeper sounding, this one here. Deeper sounding rumble. Make sure that's on. Okay, fuel injected. That's actually the baffle in the pipe. That's what that tinny sound is. The baffle's worn. I gotta take it out. So this is the Heritage Softail. Definitely more deeper sound, isn't it? Gotta love the sound of a Harley. That's a 2004. Beautiful bike. Alright guys, let me know which one you like better. What sound do you like better? And like I say, the baffle's got to come out of there because it's loose, it's rusted out now. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers. And that's all she wrote. Thanks for watching. Cheers.